In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Weebly website in just 30 seconds. Whether you're looking to start fresh with a new design or simply don't need your site anymore, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Weebly home dashboard. This is your control center for managing all things related to your Weebly account and websites. If you're not already there, simply log into your account and you'll land on the dashboard by default. Once you're on the dashboard, take a glance over to the left sidebar. This is where Weebly organizes your site management tools and offers access to your websites. On this sidebar, you should notice a drop-down menu dedicated to your website list. This is a key part of the process because each of the websites you've created on Weebly will be listed there. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a neat list of all your websites, making it easy to keep track of each one. Now, from this list, identify the website that you want to delete. Take your time here to ensure that you've selected the correct site because once it's deleted, it'll be gone for good. When you're confident about your choice, look for a small icon with 3 dots, usually found next to the site's name. This 3 dots icon is a common design choice in many web services, indicating more options are available. Click on these 3 dots, and a menu will appear with various actions you can take. One of those options is Delete Site. Select this option, and you might be asked to confirm your decision. This step is important for security, ensuring that you or no one else accidentally deletes a site without intending to. So, go ahead and confirm that you do in fact want to delete the site. Once you've done this, that's it. Your Weebly website will be removed, and you'll free up that spot for new creations or simply enjoy the decluttered digital space. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience, ensuring you can manage your online presence efficiently without unnecessary complexity. And there you have it, the quick and simple way to delete a Weebly website. Remember to double-check the site you're deleting and make sure you've saved any content you might want in the future. We hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to check out our other resources or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.